Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for checking us out. When I was a teenager, more years ago than I care to remember, I learned a special food prep trick while working as a short order cook at the International House of Pancakes, better known as IHOP. It's quick, simple, and easy, and it makes eggs much more visually appealing and flavorful. The original hack is loaded with carbs, so I'll be sharing a keto-friendly version with you in this video. So, stay tuned. Traditional egg omelets are appealing to many people for numerous reasons. So, considering the seemingly unbeatable virtues of traditional egg omelets, it's hard to imagine how a simple hack can make them even more appealing. The hack I learned as a short order cook at the International House of Pancakes was to add a shot of buttermilk pancake batter to the eggs before cooking. But a single pancake's worth of buttermilk batter contains 20 grams of carbs, so if you're following an ultra-low carb keto diet or zero-carb carnivore diet, this traditional hack is pretty much off limits. But you can rest assured that there's a keto-friendly and carnivore-friendly alternative to the traditional carb-laden hack. If you're finding this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. Also, to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. And now, without further delay, here's the big reveal you've been waiting for. Let's start with the ingredients. For a 2-egg serving, we're looking at 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, which contains only 1 gram of carbs, and 1/4 teaspoon of zero-carb baking soda. And that's it. Thoroughly blend the ingredients in a medium mixing bowl. Pour the mixture into a medium frying pan and place over medium heat. When the edges start to cook, tilt the pan towards you and lift the bottom edge of the omelet to allow the uncooked egg mixture to flow down the pan and fill the space under the lifted edge. This technique allows for more even cooking of the omelet. When most of the uncooked egg mixture on top of the omelet has been drained to the edges and cooked, flip the omelet over. Lift the edges periodically to check the bottom of the omelet for doneness. Add your choice of filling to the middle of the omelet. In my case, I use slivers of white cheddar cheese and diced cooked bacon. When the bottom is cooked to your liking, fold the omelet in half and top with the remaining toppings. Transfer the omelet to a plate containing any other food items. In my case, I paired the omelet with a juicy medium rare filet mignon. And last but not least, enjoy!